Hey guys, Full Throttle here, and this is a 2021 Aprilia V4 Tuono factory. This bike has a feature where if you brake really quickly, the bike starts flashing its turn signals to alert other cars and motorcycles that you're braking suddenly. This feature can be annoying if you didn't want that on. There is a way to turn it off, and I'm going to show you how if that's what you want. So start by turning the bike on. Dismiss the insert your personal code by pressing the right button, and then press and hold the right button to go into the menu. The first option is vehicle. Press right to go in there. Scroll all the way down until it says emergency brake, and you can toggle this on and off by pressing the right button. So set it to whatever you want, and then press the left button, which is the back button, to exit the menu. And that's all it is. Now, if you turn it off, it won't flash when you're braking suddenly. So if you enjoyed this video, press the like button. If you want to see more, get subscribed. Thank you.